5 best jointers. The item number 5 is Cutech 40180H C-Quart 8 inches bench. The one-piece 4 3/8 high by 19 3/4 long adjustable fence can be tilted from 90 to 135 degrees with ease. The cast aluminum in-feed and out-feed tables can easily be leveled if the need occurs, and so can the extensions. At about 49 pounds, and with a 120-volt 10 amp motor, it's a tough machine and can be easily transported to the job site if necessary. The item number 4 is Lumberjack Tools Home Series Beginner's Kit. Looking for the perfect kit to get started building your own log furniture? Look no further. The Home Series Beginner's Kit features a 1 1/2 tenon cutter. The item number 3 is Gino Development 010102. Quick and easy biscuit cuts for super strong miter joints, T-joints, butt joints and edge-to-edge cuts. Including an adjustable fence, a dust port with dust bag for easy cleanup, and preset depth stops for biscuit sizes 0, 10 and 20. The item number 2 is Festool 574432. You can make flawless mortises every single time, thanks to Festool's new domino joining system. Joining no longer has to be a slow, difficult process. The domino joiner, with its revolutionary cutting method, utilizes a patented mortising technique, symbol indexing features, and adjustable mortise sizing to make flawless mortises. The item number 1 is PORTER-CABLE PC160JT. PORTER-CABLE registered PC160JT variable speed 6 inches jointer features a variable speed range of 6,000 to 11,000 RPM and cutter head speed of 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute, allowing selection correct speed for materials size and hardness.